Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since you've seen us, but we are going to start dedicating more time to get into doing some more videos. Today, we installed the Tomei Full Titanium system on this A90. We also did an A90 earlier in the day, and that got the single exit. So the single exit is the Type R, and the dual exit is the Type D. So we're going to give you some sound clips later on in the video, but first you might want to know, why do you want to have an exhaust on your Supra? The Supra makes a lot of sounds, like you guys modify the downpipes already, and the truth is, it's a weight savings thing for me. By putting a full exhaust on, you are opening up the airway, so to speak, and you're going to allow more exhaust gases to flow out the car, which will allow more power. But weight savings is going to bring a lot to this platform. So going with a full titanium system like the Tomei is going to bring you added weight savings to the car. On the Tomei, they removed the valve. So that's a big controversial thing that people talk about. Well, I don't want this because it doesn't have a valve. And I was right there with you guys in the beginning. I really liked having the valve on one of our earlier systems on our car, but I found that people that run some of the systems like the ETS, one of the Boost Logics, the AWEs that don't have the valve, their sound is always consistently the same. So I really do like that, where if you have one with the valve, you know, if you're in sport mode or not, the valve's not always going to be open all the time, so your sound is actually going to change quite a bit. So the Tomei that's going to come out of the driver's side, it omits the valve that's on the passenger side, as there's no muffler over there. The dual system removes the system as well, the valve. So today, Caleb and Ricky, this is Ricky's car, they installed this exhaust. Caleb installed the other system on Ron's car earlier, and we're gonna bring you the sound clips on the dual and the single exit Tomei systems. These systems, we got some of the early systems. What Tomei did is they only released 2 of each part number to every direct dealer. So we're lucky enough, we're here in Nevada. We were able to get ours from California pretty quick to bring you guys some sample video clips and installation. The rest of the systems, unfortunately, it's a pre-order basis. They're talking like it's going to come in for next stock is in June. So you got to get the pre-order in. The way it works is if you don't order, if you want to be that guy that wants to wait until they're in stock, you might be waiting longer. Say they only ship 50 units in throughout the whole country. If they have 50 pre-orders already sold, you're not going to get one. So you have to pre-order these systems. That's just the way the market's been since the pandemic. One other cool thing about the Tomei system when they released it was the pricing. The price point on these things for a full titanium system is beyond believable. It's a really excellent price. Just check the links below. You'll see the current price on our website, but they're really affordable for what they are. Some of you guys might want to switch systems around, sell what you have, get this one, go from there. I will comment, the installation was very, very tricky on the dual as well as the single. We're still working on the fitment on the dual to make sure it's perfect and dialed in. And again, this is an early system, so we want to make sure everything's spot on and let you guys know. But let's get to those sound clips and let's go. Hey, today we just did the installs on the Tomei Type D and Type R exhaust, the single and the dual exit. We're going to show you a sound clip of a stock exhaust car with an Active AutoWorks catted downpipe, and we'll let you compare and see all 3 of these next to each other. So here we go. All right guys, here is the Tomei Type D dual exit exhaust. This car has a race downpipe from Boost Logic on it, so it's full, straight back from the turbo, open up. All right guys, here's the third and final car. This is the Tomei Type R single exit full titanium exhaust. This car has a Active AutoWorks catted downpipe on the car. Here we go. All right guys, so wrap up this video. basically we did some installs today on the brand new Tomei titanium exhaust, the single exit as well as the dual exit. We'll have the links down below. We really like these exhausts. They're really lightweight. You are going to be a valveless system, which is cool because the sound is always going to be consistent. So again, there's 3 cars, 3 differences that we could show you and try to give you the best accurate sound clips possible for these. In person, they sound really, really good though. My favorite is probably the single with a catted downpipe. I like it because the catted downpipe takes out a lot of the resonated sound. The catless always brings a little more pop and bang to it, but it's still an awesome sound too. Thanks guys, stay tuned, subscribe, and have a good day.